Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a lab show, chapter 53. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Rantau and Suman. I know my request point is too much, but if I don't wash my hair tonight, I can sleep well. If I don't sleep well, my spirit will be before. If my spirit is before, the wound will recover slowly. Then, the more time, I will control you. Tao Tao, she was really funny, right? With the charming of Tao Tao, finally Suman agreed and said, okay, let's take it off. Suman, she's going to help her to wash her hair. Well, definitely, Tao Tao wins this time. But looking at Suman, she seems to be thinking something. She looks really mischievous. She come closer to Rantau. Well, is she going to tease her so much? It looks like she's going to tease her. It's comfortable. Well, what about this spring? It was heavy. What about now? Now she continued to scrub her hair. Well, this is very suitable. Grab the left side. Well, it turns out, Suman, she is really patiently washing her hair gently. Looking at Rantau, she seems to be getting happy. Well, definitely, she is really enjoying this. Look at her, is she really enjoying teasing Suman? Well, of course, Rantau. Suman is calling her. Since Rantau, she seems to be happy. She doesn't realize that Suman is staring at hers. This girl, she only think about herself. And it's completely she don't look around. Suman said to her, why are you looking for me? Tao Tao, what to find you? Well, she was right. There's a lot of people she can ask for. Right now, why suddenly she want to be Suman at all costs? She can ask for help for the mates or also her friend. Why suddenly she want to choose Suman? That is inconvenient. He don't like the contact of a nanny. But isn't Shan still there? Why did you come to your room? Wash your own hair in the middle of the night? Well, Suman, she was right. Yes, Shan Yue is also at my house. But why do I need the help? The first things that comes to my mind is Suman. Now, she was also thinking, why she really chose Suman? Even though her friend was here, she likes girls and she has been very close to Janjan recently, and it's too ambiguous to wash my hair. I am very shy. Tao Tao said to Suman. So it turns out she is not shy with Suman. It's not too ambiguous if it's Suman was the one who's washing her hair. Well, her reason is really funny. Also, right now, she don't know how she feel about this. Suman said, lie down and don't move. It will get wet. So finally, they're going to rinse the hair. Suman, she's gently rinsing the hair. She helps you wash your hair. Ambiguous. You and her need to be measured. So, can I disregard my measures? Well, definitely, Suman is right. What is Tao Tao thinking about hers? That she don't think that she is also measured. It's because I got her to save you. Well, it must be. Well, Tao Tao, it turns out she really know how to coax people. She also know how to tell alibis. Especially right now. Well, after hearing this, of course, Suman, she really got fuss. Well, probably she don't want to taste Tao Tao anymore. But per Tao Tao, she really kept her silence. Maybe she was thinking about herself. But why she really choose Suman? You can say yes. Finally, since she already got rinsed, Tao Tao, Suman suddenly grabbed hers. And she's going to fat dry her hair. Look at her. When she looked back, she told Tao Tao, you can go to bed and wait for me. Well, why suddenly Suman's face is turning red? Seems that she is really getting shy when she looking forwards on her. Well, this girl, she can also be tricky. But for Tao Tao right now, suddenly, she looks really getting angry. You, what did you say? Well, Tao Tao was right. Why suddenly Suman is asking her to go back and wait for her? What is she going to do? You don't need me to help you to blow your hair, then I'll go back. Oh, she is not telling her the complete details. That's why Tao Tao, she really misunderstood her. It turns out She want to only help her to blow dry her hair. What you want? Hey, hey, Sister Ayman, you are so kind. So it turns out Tao Tao finally understand what Suman means. And right now, she really got false. She is really being kind on hers. Oh, is she realizing that her dad and that Uncle Vern is on a relationship? Well, definitely Tao Tao. She is getting exposed on this. Now, she was looking at Suman. Probably, she really got fitted on her. But her dad, it's like betraying the family, right? Right now, it was on Tao Tao's mind. Hello, Tao Tao. I'm Born. You can call me Uncle Vern. I'm your father's best friend. He looks really tricky person. Right now, Tao Tao. She seems to be not responding. Well, Uncle Vern, she was looking back from Tao Tao's father to Tao Tao, accepting her hands. Well, probably Tao Tao. She was thinking about Suman. How can her father treat her like that? The atmosphere between them, this look, I don't think a fair people believe it is still a close friend. She can eat melon. Who is this person? Tao Tao. She really kept thinking about this. Moreover, she is really concerned about Suman. She knows about this. What's the matter? Although I have always said that she is the vicious stepmother, Suman is actually very good to me. In addition to going to the salon, she's only the one who's helped me wash my hair. Well, finally, Tao Tao, realizing something, that Suman is not bad for hers. Why are you standing here? You're silly. Didn't I told you to go back to bed and wait? Suman said to her. Now Tao Tao, she realized this something. Right now, suddenly, when Suman is going back, she's trying to grab her hand. Well, what is she going to do right now? Is she going to sympathize with Suman? Because she thinks that Suman is the one who's getting hurt in this. You and my dad and Vern, are you not curious about how the golden retriever and my dad met? They're relatively often in abroad. In case, Tao Tao, she got really worried about Suman. That's why she's asking her about now. For Suman, she looked back on her. Her face is really turning red. Well, she doesn't expect that Ran Tao, she will get sympathized on her case. Well, definitely Tao Tao, she is really getting stronger. Let's see on what will happen next since Tao Tao finally trying to understand her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!